Remember when Notebook LM first arrived and everyone was suddenly obsessed with creating these shockingly realistic podcasts overnight? But it didn't take long before we all realized the cracks in the armor, the same robotic voices, the repetitive cadence, and that unmistakable AI-generated feel. Everyone wanted something that felt authentic from the very first second, rather than screaming, "I was made by a bot." Then came tools like Magic Pots, trying to add that extra layer of polish, but creators were still stuck with fragmented workflows that felt like gluing different software together. Today, I want to show you something that genuinely blew me away. And no, it's not just another voice studio platform. It's called Vizard. And if you're tired of wasting hours editing long-form content into viral social clips, this is the tool you need. I'm joined today by my friend Alex, a brilliant developer who builds solid media tools, and he is going to walk us through how Vizard actually solves our biggest headache. We all know the struggle. We spend ages crafting great long-form videos, but the internet has a massive appetite for short, snappy content. Turning one single recording session into a week's worth of social media posts really shouldn't feel like a full-time job. Alex, thanks for joining us. Give us the quick pitch on exactly what Vizard does for the average creator. The simple idea is that creators are constantly recording podcasts, interviews, and tutorials, but those are just raw materials. Vizard automatically identifies the moments people actually want to watch, trims them into platform-ready clips, and preps everything from captions to thumbnails. Beyond just clipping, it helps you plan, schedule, and publish those assets across your social channels without needing 5 different apps open at once. That is exactly why I love it, because I tested it on my own interview archives, and it spat out attention-grabbing clips in mere minutes. Instead of hunting for that perfect 30-second soundbite, Vizard finds the moments with sheer potential and formats them for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Let's dive in and show the audience what the dashboard looks like so they can see how easy it really is. This dashboard is intentionally simple, allowing you to drag and drop a YouTube link or an MP4 file directly into the platform. Once your file is uploaded, you choose your goals, auto clips, long-form highlights, or a complete recap. You can even toggle the aggressiveness of the clip finder, deciding if you want only the wildest viral moments or a broader set of highlights. So you can point Vizard at any long video and ask it to generate 5 clips for TikTok, 3 for Instagram, and 1 for LinkedIn instantly. The real magic happens with the AI that detects high engagement cues like laughter, energetic spikes in audio, or shifts in sentiment. It even picks up on visual cues like hand gestures or sudden camera zooms. Then it scores and ranks those clips before applying the finishing touches. It handles the captions, thumbnails, and formatting for you, saving you from the tedious work that usually leads to burnout. When I first used it, the suggested hashtags and accurate captions felt incredibly intuitive and helpful. Walk us through how someone sets up a project from a URL so the audience can visualize that specific workflow. You just paste the link here, pick your desired tone, whether that's funny, informative, or snappy, and choose the clip length. Then select your orientation for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, and simply hit the Generate button. The AI gets to work, analyzing transcripts, aligning audio peaks with visual moments, and building a batch of ready-to-use content. What I love about Vizard compared to other tools is that it isn't just a one-trick pony trying to imitate a voice. It is built for the specific daily grind of social distribution that every serious creator absolutely hates. What about creators who need bulk, recurring content, like a 21-day challenge or a series of tutorials? We built a series planner specifically for that, allowing Vizard to map out a content calendar and schedule posts for you automatically. If you enable auto-schedule, it publishes the clips at your selected times, and you can even regenerate fresh edits right before they go live. The calendar view is fantastic because you can just drag and drop, change publish times, or swap clips on the fly. It's honestly like having a dedicated social media manager that never sleeps and never misses a post. Let's talk about the captions, because we know social algorithms favor videos that are clearly subtitled and easy to follow. The speaker detection is spot on, meaning if you have an interview, Vizard labels exactly who is saying what throughout the transcript. It even generates different caption variants based on the tone, so you get punchy, short hooks for TikTok and descriptive text for YouTube. But what about creative control? Can users add their own branding, logos, or B-roll footage? Absolutely. Every clip is fully editable in the studio, where you can swap out thumbnail frames, add logos, or drop in custom overlays. We keep adding new templates every single week, so your brand aesthetic stays consistent with just 2 clicks. That is the sweet spot, getting the speed of automation without sacrificing the creative flexibility of a manual editor. How does Vizard handle analytics so creators know which clips are actually working? The platform tracks engagement per clip, views, watch time, and retention graphs, and feeds that data back into the algorithm. This means your future batch edits get smarter over time because the system learns which hooks drive the most attention for your audience. The use cases are endless: product comparisons, breaking down long earnings calls, or turning webinars into bite-sized lessons. Anything that started as long-form content can essentially be repackaged and distributed to reach new viewers. If you are a creator who is suddenly scaling, Vizard can process an entire library of videos to create a consistent content pipeline. Before we wrap this up, just a note: Vizard has tiered plans for teams, cloud storage, and direct integration with social APIs. For busy creators, this really is a multiplier. You get significantly more clips in a fraction of the time. We are hosting a live reveal webinar next week, where we'll go deep into these advanced features and share some exclusive deals. If you're serious about turning long-form videos into a steady stream of posts, you won't want to miss that session. Check the links I've provided to grab early access and some limited free invites before general release. Alex, any final words before we sign off? Just remember that distribution shouldn't be an afterthought. Your long videos deserve to work harder for you. Exactly. Stop treating your content like a one-off and start building a content machine. If you're tired of the editing grind, give Vizard a look, sign up for that webinar, and reclaim your weekends. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe, drop a comment, and share this with a creator friend who needs to stop wasting hours editing.